We are going to take a look at an AEM 501-37 37 by 75 inch wide belt sander. Please remember to hit the subscribe button, like, share, and turn on notifications to receive our latest videos as they drop. This is a single head AEM 501-37 wide belt sander. The width capacity is 36 inches, while the thickness capacity is 8 inches. This machine uses 37 by 75 inch abrasives. Inside you will find a combination head with a 4-inch grooved helical rubber drum, followed by a 2-inch wide platen. We redressed the drum and it is defect free, and we installed new graphite on the platen. The main motor is 20 horsepower, while the variable feed is 1 horsepower and controlled by a variable frequency drive from 10 to 45 feet per minute. On the front left, you will find an auto calibration unit. The conveyor is newer and in good condition.